this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is just a happy birthday video that I want to say to my sister Tanya. She is just always there for me, and I love her so much. And Tanya, I just want to give you a huge happy birthday shout out. You are one of the best people that I know. Like I said, you're always there for me. You're always supporting me. You always have my back. You listen to me through all my rants, my insecurities, my future plans. And I mean, you're just always there for me. And I pray that I'm always there for you too. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I'm self-absorbed a lot. And because I feel like I come to you for so much stuff. But hopefully I pray that I'm there for you too. But anyway, I just want to give you hopefully a wonderful, beautiful, happy birthday shout out for just being who you are. Miss Tanya Tucker. So I love you, sis. Happy birthday. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.